and welcome back to another grocery haul. We got lots of good stuff, a ton of produce. I have plans to make a little like zoodle salad thing that I saw on Food Network earlier or last week, and I thought it would be super good. So if you're interested in that, I will be sharing that recipe. Well, it's not mine, but sharing it in my weekly vlog. So check that out. It won't go up until the end of the week, and this obviously goes up today. So yeah, anyways, let's get started. Starting with some protein. I picked up some ham this week. I have not picked up ham. I don't know if I've ever just like bought ham deli meat before. It's not normally a thing for me, but this was like in their weekly flyer or whatever, and I saw it, and it's got very similar macros to my turkey, so I thought it might be nice to switch it up. So this is just no nitrates or nitrates added, uncured ham. So yeah, 12 grams of protein per slice. Then my smoked turkey, which I get every week. I have another one still in the fridge, but I use these for lunches all the time. If you are interested in a what I eat in a day, I will link my most recent one down below so you can kind of see some different meal ideas. I picked up some salmon. This looked good this week from Kroger. It'll at least get us one meal out of that guy. Some ground turkey. I typically like to purchase mine from Trader Joe's. I don't know why I didn't grab it. For some reason I thought Kroger was cheaper, and it's not unless it's on sale. But it was on sale, so I just grabbed it. It's the ground lean turkey, so 93.7, and this is just like my go-to for super quick, easy, like a veggie hash sort of thing. So that's it for protein. We already have eggs, and we already have a ton of chicken sausages. I like reorganized my freezer yesterday and took out a big thing of chicken as well, and we have another one on backup. So I didn't need to get anything else for that. But let's move into produce because I have a ton of that. I got a bunch of sweet potatoes. I thought I would roast these up or at least cube them and be able to throw them in the air fryer for quick like lunches, dinners, whatnot for that. And then grabbed some more zucchini. I grabbed 3 zucchinis for just dinners and whatnot. Some haricot vert green beans. They're just really crisp and nice, small, easy to cook. They cook in like a couple of minutes, so they're great for dinners. Some baby carrots because we just didn't have any more. Some big carrots, and these are for that noodle salad that I mentioned. So are the zucchini, but I have more zucchini in the fridge. A serrano, which is also for that noodle salad. Just some basic broccoli, like a head of broccoli. I find that the broccoli head is much more fresher than the ones that are like already in the bag, so we'll just go with that. And you get more, obviously, because it's harder to like cut up, whatever. Grab some of this, which I don't feel like I've seen before. It's their shredded kale. I figured this would be nice for salads, for like nourish bowl sort of things, and also in smoothies. So I grabbed that. This is organic shredded kale. It's already washed and ready to go. For smoothies, also my staple, which is spinach. I already have some spinach that I picked up towards the end of last week, but I needed another bag. Lighting's weird. Anyways, needed another bag just to have on hand. Grabbed some romaine. I use this in salads, but also for my sandwiches. I like romaine for my sandwiches. Grabbed some cilantro for that veggie salad, and also some like green onions. And also for it, some Persian cucumbers. I grabbed orange peppers this week. I don't typically get orange because they're like 20 cents more, which isn't that big of a deal, but they're 20 cents more than the red, but the red looked so terrible this week at Trader Joe's, so I grabbed the orange because they looked awesome. One thing of broccolini, because we do have a lot of other veggies, I thought just having that would be easy. Some beets, again, for that salad. Can't tell, can't see the theme. Some cremini mushrooms. I just thought for pasta sometime this week would be nice. I don't know why this is over here. This is dairy, but a yogurt. And then that's, oh no, some tomatoes, and that's it for produce. For fruit, I grabbed some limes for that salad as well, I know. Some red seedless grapes for Arlo. These ones were really, like, looked really crunchy. Felt really crunchy because I felt them. Some raspberries. I like raspberries in my oatmeal, and Arlo hasn't had raspberries in a while, so we'll see if he still likes them. And then also a ton of bananas. Both me and Scott eat a banana every day in our smoothie. I like to freeze them and whatnot. That's everything for fruit. Let's move to dairy. I have a creamer. This is the Natural Bliss sweet cream. I kind of mix it up between sweet cream and vanilla, but I grabbed the sweet cream this week. Also grabbed a thing of whole milk, obviously for Arlo. I grabbed some fat-free cottage cheese from Trader Joe's. I really like cottage cheese with just like salt and pepper on it. I don't know, it's just a really good snack for me. I don't like it with fruit, but I like it with salt and pepper and more savory. It has 13 grams of protein, and obviously it's just an easy, quick little snack. I grabbed 2 dressings. I loved the Bolthouse Farms. I have the, which ones do I have? I have the honey barbecue ranch, which is good. My favorite was the cilantro avocado, but they didn't have that. So I grabbed this one, which is the lemon basil, which I thought would be really yum. And then also this one, which is the Tzatziki Ranch. This is by Lighthouse Purely Balanced. I've not tried this brand, so I don't know if it's good or not, but it's, again, 45 calories. It's a yogurt dressing, and it's a Tzatziki Ranch. I probably should make my own, but I don't know. These are just easy, obviously. I grabbed the everything but the elote Greek style yogurt dip from Trader Joe's. I thought this would be good on sandwiches again. I like sandwiches, but also dipped with some, whatchamacallit, veggies. 2 little yogurts. I still have more in the fridge right now, but this is just the Waco's Triple in the banana cream, which is my favorite flavor. It has 15 grams of protein. Awesome dessert. I love topping it with the peanut butter or peanut butter protein, I don't know, granola from Trader Joe's. It's awesome. On top of that, I grabbed this. This is a new cheese that they just launched. This is the Trader Joe's cheddar cheese with Scotch, Bonnet, chili, and red peppers. They apparently have a Gouda with hatch chilies, but I didn't see it. And the cashier said it might be sold out and they'll get restocked. But I decided to grab this and check that out. And that's it for dairy. Moving to snacks and random things. I grabbed some little like cookies for Arlo. These are cinnamon Schoolbook cookies. They're kind of like, I guess, like animal crackers, but they're cinnamon. I just thought maybe he would like them, and I thought they're cute because they're in little letters and whatnot. Not that he's old enough to really understand that yet, but I still thought it was cute. I grabbed these, and me and Scott already dug into them. They're very good. They're super, super spicy. I feel like they'd be good like on top of rice or something like that, but these are the crispy Thai chilies and sesame seeds. Do not get these if you don't like heat. These are pretty spicy, but they're really freaking good, super savory. I found a new coffee this week. This is the Papua New Guinea Simbai Small Lot Coffee. This is a medium roast with notes of sugarcane, cherry, and lime. I grabbed 2. One is already ground and one is in full bean. And then I also grabbed just a pea berry just in case we don't like it. I don't know, for any reason, we probably will. But I grabbed another pea berry coffee because we've really been liking this one. I grabbed some more of these semi-sweet chocolate chunks. I really like these. I've had these a couple times from Trader Joe's. Apparently they've changed the packaging and the shape of them, but I don't really care. I made in my, it was like 2 weeks ago in my weekly vlog, I bought the thin rice cakes from Trader Joe's, put peanut butter on it, and then topped it with chocolate, like a chocolate ganache made with coconut oil, and it was amazing. I did, however, find the rice cakes with dark chocolate at Trader Joe's this week, but I was like, you know what? I liked mine so much better with the peanut butter that I'm just gonna make them again. So I grabbed that so that I can make it this week because I still do have some rice cakes left over. I don't know what is going on with Trader Joe's and why they're not carrying my seaweed anymore. It's making me very upset. This is the only one they had left. It was this one, and that they didn't have any other selection of seaweed. So I'm like wondering if they're discontinuing seaweed or what's going on. They're having an issue with getting it in, I don't know. But this is the teriyaki seaweed snack, which I don't even think I've tried before. I like the original, I like the big packs that come in green, but this is what I had to settle for this week because that's all they had. Cheddar Rockets, these were so good. Arlo loved these, Scott and I both loved these, so I grabbed another box of these. I actually prefer them over Goldfish. They're larger and they're like fluffier, I don't know, flakier. I thoroughly enjoyed them. I grabbed just some like dry roasted, salted peanuts for that noodle salad again, I know. Grabbed some little pouches. I have been making them at home for Arlo, but I like to just have these for on the go when we were out. So I grabbed an apple banana and an apple strawberry. I just don't like that they're all fruit, but it's fine for like a quick and easy thing. These pickles, I loved these pickles, so I repurchased them. They're the kosher dill pickles. So freaking good. From Kroger, Frank's Red Hot. I use this on everything. I love Frank's Red Hot. Oh, I also wanted to update you guys. I got those apple cider vinegar drinks from Trader Joe's. I got 2 of them. I didn't even drink the full one. And I threw the other one away. It was so, so terrible. Like, not like a poppy drink at all. It was disgusting. So don't get those if you're curious. Grabbed this spicy, chunky tomato and pepper pasta sauce, which I've not tried before, but I just needed to stock up on that. And then I just grabbed our go-to, which is the arrabbiata. It's like a spicy pasta sauce. Some more honey, because Scott used up all the honey. He loves honey. We needed another olive oil. Trader Joe's just has really affordable olive oil, so I grabbed another one of those. Wait, grabbed some brown rice. I like to make giant batches of brown rice or whatever kind of rice in the rice cooker, and then I individually weigh out and portion out little packets. I'll show you really quick. You can tell. I saran wrap and just put, this is 158 grams, but it's 1 cup, essentially 1 cup per serving, and it's like, Trader Joe's has those like pre-packaged rice that you can kind of do it, but it's more than 1 serving and it's just more expensive. So that's what I do. It's super easy. Just get yourself like a little scale and weigh out the portions, put it in saran wrap. Don't microwave the saran wrap. Obviously let the saran wrap like defrost and then throw it in the microwave and you're good to go. It's fresh rice. So I grabbed some more brown rice so that I can make some more of those once we run out. These were freaking amazing last time we got them, so I grabbed them again. They're the Carolina Gold barbecue flavored potato chips. They're not your typical barbecue, which is what everyone was like saying they didn't like it because of that, but it's very like mustardy, vinegary, like deliciousness. Awesome, loved those. Scott did as well. I grabbed some freezer bags just to have on hand because we were out of that. A staple, my gargonzola gnocchi. I only grabbed one of these because we already have some other pastas in the freezer, and I'm trying not to like go crazy with our freezer meals. I grabbed some riced cauliflower that's in the freezer section. I thought this would be nice to bulk up rice every once in a while. I always buy the fresh and it goes off, so I thought the frozen would be nice. And then I was craving lima beans. I love lima beans, which is a little bit of butter, salt, and pepper. Such a good little snack with rice or plain. I thought these would be nice. So they have a good amount of protein in them. And yeah, good little veggie to keep in the freezer. So that is everything that I recently picked up today at Kroger and Trader Joe's. And I'm gonna try to make sure that in my next ones that I like update you on different things that I tried this week, just like I did with those apple cider vinegar. I'm pretty sure I talked about the facts that I loved the previous week. This was so good. So yeah, that is everything that I picked up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know by giving me a huge thumbs up and letting me know in the comments down below. I will see you all in my next video. Bye, you guys.